Hello everyone, welcome to eGyan. Hope all of you are doing good. So this video is about adverbs. Today we will understand adverbs, their types and examples. Let's proceed. Adverbs are similar to adjective in the way they describe things, but the difference is that an adjective describes a noun, for example, a green dress, a tall man, 6 sons. So, adverb means something added to the verb. It qualifies how the action was taken. ये हमें बताता है कि जो एक्शन हुआ है वो किस तरह से हुआ है. For example, if I say a sentence, Rahul completed the assignment easily, or if I say Rahul solved all the questions easily. So solved here is verb, and easily is describing the kind of verb. So easily act as an adverb in An adverb does not tell anything about the noun, it describes something about the verb, how the verb acts. It adds qualitative detail to the verb in a sentence, it gives more information or modifies the meaning of the verb. यानी कि adverb जो है वो verb के बारे में हमें और information देता है, हमें बताता है कि किस तरह से एक action जो है हुआ है. जैसे वह भागता है, he runs fast. He understands all the topics clearly. आइए अब देख लेते हैं कौन कौन से टाइप्स होते हैं एडवर्ब्स के इंग्लिश ग्रामर में. सो बेसिकली द टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्ब्स इन इंग्लिश ग्रामर आर एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, एडवर्ब ऑफ नंबर, एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर एंड एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. अब हम एक एक करके इन सभी टाइप्स को हम पढ़ेंगे और इनके एग्जांपल्स और इनके सेंटेंसेस देखेंगे. उससे हमें समझ आएगा कि किस हिसाब से किस तरह से इनका जो है सेंटेंसेस में यूज होता है. आइए देखते हैं. एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, ये हमें बताता है कि एक्शन जो है. Let's see some of the examples of adverb of time. Now, yesterday, soon, later, after, before, yet, tomorrow, already, tonight, today, then, last month, last year. तो ये सभी जो है ये एग्जाम्पल्स हैं एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम के. ये हमें बताते हैं कि एक्शन जो है कब हुआ है. एक्शन का when did the action take place. For example, if I try to use yesterday, so yesterday I went to meet my friend. He will come to meet me soon. तो ये बता रहे हैं कि एक्शन कब हुआ था या कब होगा. Let us take some of the sentence examples of adverb of time. I have been here before. Tomorrow I am going to Paris. Alex will be here soon. So these are telling us about the time of the action. For example, in first example, if we talk about the first sentence, the subject is saying that he has been here before. And position. In the second sentence, tomorrow I am going to Paris. He is saying that he will go to Paris tomorrow. So they are talking about the action of the time of the action. आइए अब समझते हैं एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी को. फ्रीक्वेंसी एज द नेम सजेस्ट, फ्रीक्वेंसी यानी कि कोई चीज कितनी बार हुई है उसको फ्रीक्वेंसी कहते हैं. So basically it tells us the frequency with which the action was taken. You will understand it better with the help of examples. यानी कि अगर कोई काम हम किस फ्रीक्वेंसी से करते हैं, जैसे ही यूजुअली कम्स लेट. सो यूजुअली यानी कि वो अक्सर लेट ही आता है. तो यूजुअली हियर इज एन एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. एंड She normally eats 3 meals a day. Normally, never, often, always. These are examples of adverb of frequency. Examples of adverb of frequency: always, something, usually, often, frequently, rarely, hardly, never, generally. Let us check some of the examples of adverb of frequency. These are the sentence examples of adverb of frequency. Have a look at them. Let us now see some of the examples of adverb of place: everywhere, near, off, above, far, on, abroad, away, back, here, out, outside, behind, in, down, downstairs, backward, etc. तो ये सारे जो हैं ये examples हैं adverb of place के. Let us now check some of the sentence examples of adverb of place. He is standing outside. I cannot find her anywhere. Stay away from the fire. So these are 3 example sentences of adverb of place. Let us now understand adverbs of manner. Adverb of manner हमें बताते हैं कि जो भी एक्शन हुआ है वो किस सेंस में हुआ, किस मैनर में हुआ, किस तरह से हुआ है. एग्जाम्पल से आप और बेहतर समझेंगे. Adverbs of manner tell us in what way or in what manner the action has taken place. It describes how something happens, in which manner the work is being done. Let us see some of the examples of adverb of manner: beautifully, calmly, cheerfully, carefully, patiently, perfectly, slowly, badly, painfully, well, efficiently, quickly, and loudly. Let us see some of the sentence examples of adverb of manner. He was listening patiently. I'm perfectly fine. Anna sang gracefully. Let us now check adverb of degree. It shows the manner or degree up to which an action took place. Some of the examples of these adverbs are given. ये हमें बताते हैं कि किस डिग्री तक, किस हद तक वो जो है एक्शन हुआ है. Let us now see some of the examples of adverb of degree: quite, to, entirely, extremely, very, rather, almost, just, rarely, deeply. Let us now check some of the sentence examples of adverb of degree. I'm absolutely sure about it. It was extremely high. He's too lazy in his work. I'm almost done with my homework. So these were the examples of adverb of degree.